So now that we have tested the pinging and VLAN to VLAN communication is pending for us. So for VLAN to VLAN communication, you can add a router. So let's see, click on a router and add a router. Use ISR and let's see whether interfaces are there. Yes, interfaces. Jig0001. In case if there are no any other interface, you can add interfaces from here. Okay, if I add this interface, can't add, it shows okay. So here already the interfaces are there, Jig000102, and if I click on this one, I'm just trying to explain you what is this. Okay, so you can see 1000 base T SFP, this module, these are modules, you can add it here like this. Okay, this one is also SFP. SFPs. Okay, this one, this one. The module is not compatible. Okay, now the power is off, and you can try 1000 base. This one I'm referring to the SFP and trying to add it. Mm, okay, here it shows. Other areas it shows a warning, and here showing I have added one. And after adding, let me turn on. Okay, power is on. So here it should be booting. You can verify here. Device is still booting. Please wait until it finish. Okay, so let's wait here itself. Okay, press okay. So you can see when I check on the interfaces, I might see the interfaces. So I'm inside the router now. So when I added the module, you can see here. Okay, press Control C. Just verify by show run. Enter. So there are three interfaces already. 00, Jig01, Jig02. No IP assigned. Speed and reflex set to auto, and it's in shutdown mode. And interface VLAN 1 just for the router's IP assignment. Okay, so this part, line console 0, AUX and all, those are not yet started here. Okay, on T, I just show you an intro of what we are going to do further. Okay, so let's take interface jig 0/0. Okay, jig 0/0. Manage interface type on number. Let me check. Sorry, this should be interface jig 0/0/0. Okay, sorry. And 0/0. So interface jig 0/0/0. I'm assigning no shut command. Okay, the interface is up now. Whenever we are going to create a SVI, which means logical interface, I need to make the physical interface up. So jig 0/0/0 and no shutdown command only. Okay, next steps. Without explaining what we are going to do, I'm just giving an intro on the command. Okay, let's say interface /0/0 dot. So this is a logical interface dot 10. Okay, I have created encapsulation dot 1 kill and 10. So if I put question mark, it will show I can provide a number with a number. And give 10. IP address 192.168.10.1 255.255.255.0 and description SVI logical int for wlan 10. Okay, virtual interface for wlan 10. Enter. Okay, so next step, I can repeat the commands similarly. So let me type it here. Interface 0/0/0.20. Now I'm typing for wlan 20. Okay, encapsulation. Now let me provide the description first. Description SVI for wlan 20 encapsulation dot 1 q 20 IP address 92.168.20.1 255.255.255.0 no shut. Even if you didn't give no shut, still the interface, virtual interface will be up. Okay. Yes, I'm just providing it. And you can see the IP which I have given is 192.168.20.1. You might remember for the end devices, when we are assigning IP addresses here, you can see in the IP assignment 192.168.10.1 is the default gateway for VLAN 10. So in the other device also, IP assignment 10.1, the same IP I am providing it in this switch virtual interface. Okay, logical interface on router for .20 VLAN 21. So VLAN 20 is IP. So 192.168.20.1. Okay. For .10, I'm going to assign for VLAN 10. So it's going to be 192.168.10.1. Okay. So this is the difference. So let's copy these commands